Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy James Truck with marketonlinewithjames.com and howtogetpaiddaily.com. Guys, coming you from YouTube with the Get Fearless Freedom Opportunity. Guys, if you would subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumb down, give me a comment, guys. Where you from? Okay, it helps the algorithm. Okay, in other words, guys, this opportunity may not be for you, and it's okay, if it's not. But by you commenting and subscribing and giving me a thumbs up or thumbs down, it helps me reach those people that may want this opportunity. Okay, it helps reach those people, guys. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now let's get started. This is the Get Fearless Freedom Opportunity. Tammy started this business opportunity in 2019. And guys, I've been slipping on it. I repent. I've been slipping on it, guys. Great opportunity. It Tammy put it together. That actually worked. And she actually brings some more stuff to the table to make it even better. I've been knowing Tammy for a long time on Facebook. Operate with some integrity. Uh, just straight up person, man, and willing to give back. All right. Now, I've been doing this type of stuff for a long time. I know a lot, but I don't know everything. So, okay, so I'm always teachable. That's why I looked at this opportunity and I said, you know what? I need to get on these webinars. I need to get on these uh, VIP webinars, which you get at the $1,000 level. I need to get this training, because iron sharpen iron, guys. Like I said, I know a lot, but I don't know everything. Okay, so I stay teachable. You should too. This is some of the webinars. One of the webinars that they had. If you want to, you can watch that about 20 minutes, guys. Uh, I think you can like when you click on the page, you'll see it. You can watch that webinar. Get Fearless Level 1, $200, $47 a month. You can read down here what you get. Get Fearless Level 2, $500 one time, $47 a month. You get all of this with Level 1, and you get all of that with Level 2 when you come in at that level. This is the Supreme Freedom Level 3. This is the one I came in on, $1,000 one time out of pocket. This is the one I suggest that you get. You get everything in number 1 right here, and you get everything in number 2, plus you get everything in number 3. All right, great opportunity, guys. Let me show you something. What's going on? You guys are gonna love this in Facebook. All right, this is our Facebook page. You'll also be able to get in and become a member, ask questions, get any question you may have answered. Man, listen, the support is off the chain. One of the reasons I love this opportunity is because Tammy, man, I've been had Tammy phone number for years. I don't call her all the time, but she's the type of person that'll pick up the phone. You want that in an opportunity. You want somebody that you can email, they email you back. You want somebody that you go on Facebook, somebody gonna talk to you. Or if it's a real big problem, Tammy will talk to you. Great opportunity, guys. You can see right here, Tony is being congratulated for bringing in Rich. Congratulations. Tony it's a high earner there. He's doing very well with the system. These are the sales that are coming in, guys. I'm telling you, what I love about it too is that Tammy closed all the sales if needed. Preferably you'll just watch this video, click and join, right? But she does close all sales if needed. You can talk to her. It's not a problem. Here go another sale. Gary on the supreme level. Welcome, Gary. Gary Jordan came into the opportunity. These sales are like 12 hours of, like yesterday. These are not old sales, guys. You got to understand people coming in every day. That's Gary again. That's the picture of Gary. People coming in every day. They're coming in every. Congratulations, Gary. All right, Teresa. Congratulations, Teresa. Came in, seen the vision. Level $1,000 level. You see the notice the algorithm here, sort of a speak. People coming in at the $1,000 level. A lot of people coming in at the $1,000 level. All right, another $1,000 level person. Yeah, coming in, guys. Coming in. Watch this video. Click that link, guys. Go check out this opportunity. Here's Kevin. I think this Kevin, my sponsor, he's doing very well. Another $500 made. I love it. 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 Barbara, she has a callback. in for tomorrow. Okay, congratulations, Barbara. Probably got a sale coming. Love that, love that, love that. And I'm just saying, it goes on and on and on and on, guys. This goes on and on and on. Now, if you want to earn $3,000 to $5,000 extra a month, and you want to do it simple, guys, man, watch this video. Watch this 7-minute video right here. Tammy talks about it. She give a little insight about what she doing in this program. We got a Craigslist software guy that converts very well. Okay. She show you how to get traffic. She set up your autoresponder. She email your whole team for you. This is a win-win situation for everybody. Win-win situation for everybody. Go ahead, guys. Click that link below. Check out what I'm doing. My name is James Truss saying have a great day.